So right here I'm putting together this standalone system for 480 volt motors that's going to operate and communicate with another machine. And first is this little cabinet build that I'm making. So right here we're going to have our 480 volt line coming in on the top to this disconnect, and then this 480 volt line is going to feed my terminals, which is brown, orange, yellow, 3-phase, right? It's going to make it's going to feed 30 amps into these terminals. And from these terminals I'm going to feed my line side to these fuse blocks. The top side of these fuse blocks is the line. Then from my load I'm going to feed my overloads. Okay, then my overloads are gonna pass through the power to my contacts. When my contacts get sucked in, then it sends my line to my motor. Okay, and then I have this transformer right here. So from the same 480 volt line, I'm gonna grab 2 phases, brown and orange, is gonna feed my 2 fuse holders right here. It's gonna be 480 line. It's gonna feed the top side of this transformer, which is gonna step down my voltage to 120. Then I have another fuse that's gonna have my 120 volt line going through it. It's gonna feed these terminals down right here, and I'm gonna have my 120 volt circuit down here. Then from here I'm gonna use this to send 120 volt power to the other cabinet, and I'm gonna have my 120 volt line on here on these other terminals. I'm just gonna have a 120 volt power on these relays, and these relays are gonna actuate with 24 volt DC, and the 24 DC is coming from the machine, which the operator is gonna be able to operate either manually or on auto. So I'm basically using the 24 volts from the machine to control the 120 volt power, and that 120 volt power is going to control my 480 line. That way my operator is only dealing with a 24 volt DC where he's standing at, and that's the build that I'm making right here.